Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. It was a historic day on the street, a 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs on most countries other than China sent stocks skyrocketing Wednesday. The Nasdaq saw its second best day ever, rallying 12%. The S&P 500 gained 9.5%, while the Russell and Dow tacked on 8.6% and 7.9% respectively. Every sector closed in positive territory, but tech was the leader, popping 14%. Consumer discretionary and communication services were up at least 10%. Taking a closer look into today's explosive upside action, it was spurred by a Truth Social post from President Trump saying he authorized an increased 125% tariff on China and a 90-day pause and a substantially lowered 10% reciprocal tariff on other countries. Trump said more than 75 countries called the United States to negotiate. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent later added, "Do not retaliate and you will be rewarded." Turning to individual stocks, Apple rallied 15% amid the tariff news. It added to earlier gains after getting an upgrade to hold from underperform by Jefferies. The firm still lowered its price target on the big tech giant to $168 a share from $202. Jefferies lowered iPhone shipment estimates up to 7% through fiscal 2027 due to recession risk and cut AI forecasts in 2028 and beyond. Despite Apple's sharp year-to-date sell-off, the firm said Apple shares were still not cheap. Delta Airlines was one of the top performers in the S&P 500 despite pulling its full-year earnings guidance. The CEO cited a lack of economic clarity as a reason for withholding that 2025 outlook. Delta says its position of strength and a decline in fuel prices serve as profit tailwinds. It also beat on the top and bottom line in the first quarter, but forecast stalled growth in 2025. The stock is 37% below its all-time high hit earlier this year. As for what's on tap tomorrow, CPI and jobless claims will highlight the economic calendar. We'll also get earnings from CarMax. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.